Gaming has always been a fundamental part of Windows. It's basically built into the DNA. And each time we make improvements, it's important that Windows remains a place where gamers can play, connect, and create. And when you look at the legacy that Windows has with PC gaming, you think of titles like Diablo, Age of Empires, Duke Nukem, Half-Life, Flight Simulator. The list goes on. And that's why you'll often hear us say that Windows has always been built for gaming. There are hundreds of millions of people all over the world who game on a Windows PC. And the best place to do that is through the Xbox app, built right into Windows 11. Game Pass subscribers now get access to hundreds of the highest quality PC games without ever having to leave the app. And if you aren't sure what that's all about, Game Pass is a membership that brings the power of gaming to everyone. You can play new games from Xbox Game Studios, Bethesda, and a bunch of third-party and indie developers on day one. And you even get access to a library of EA's best games with EA Play. Oh, it gets better. It's always being updated with new games being added to the Game Pass library every single month. So you'll always have something new to play. Now, if you're a Game Pass Ultimate subscriber, well, things just keep getting better, because now you don't even have to download the games to play them. With cloud gaming built right into the Xbox app on Windows 11, you can play the games directly from the cloud. Now here's where this comes in handy. Let's say you're not at home on your $10,000 beast of a gaming PC, but you do have your work laptop with you and you want to catch up with your friends and play some Halo. Now usually, that wouldn't be the best idea given the specs on a device like a tablet PC. But because I'm signed into my Game Pass account in the Xbox app, I can navigate to the cloud gaming section, make sure my controller is connected, launch my game, and I'm ready to go. And making your way around the Xbox app on Windows 11 is super easy. On the left-hand side, you'll see your navigation pane. So let's have a look at the Game Pass tab. Here you'll see everything that's happening on Game Pass. There's a few titles that have been recently added. There's even some suggestions under the Picks for You tab right here. You'll see some titles that are trending, that are very popular and ready to play. You'll also get a peek at what is to come soon, like the new Forza Motorsport. There's also a tab that shows the most popular titles at the moment, the EA Play tab, where you can enjoy some titles from that EA Play library, and some more day one releases. And if you're feeling a bit saucy, you can use this part here. Click on that and it will actually suggest a title for you to play. Then if we make our way back over to the navigation pane, you've got your library, and here is where all the games are that you have installed on your account inside the Xbox app. There's the cloud gaming tab, and then you've also got the store where you can purchase add-ons, you can redeem codes, add things to your wish list, check out the top paid games and see all the games that are either featured or the best selling at the time. If you make your way to the top of the navigation pane, you'll see the notifications bell here. This is where you'll get all the notifications and keep up to date with everything that is happening on Game Pass. And last but not least, you'll always want to keep in touch with your friends and family. So down here in the bottom right-hand corner, you can click that tab and you can chat with your friends in-game and keep them up to date with everything that is happening. And because of our commitment to player-first innovations like cross-play and cross-save, you can play your games seamlessly across devices, and all your progressions and achievements will stay right up to date. The team at Windows are always committed to creativity, to connection, and play when it comes to gaming. And that's why we can say with absolute confidence that the best place to enjoy the best PC games is on Windows 11.